Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can change sound mode. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next scroll down to the device preferences. Then go below for sound mode. Scroll down. And here we got few options: standard, movie, news, game and the custom. When you go for the custom, you can set up the equalizer manually. As you can see, that's how it looks. But let's change, for example, for game. After that, you can finally go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.